Willow, Spirea, Phlox, Veronica, Geum. I always forget what those are. And those two. Thalictrum, tulips, not sure. Lilies, carnations, astrantia, hardy geraniums, salvia, annuals. That's a nice one. Geum. Sure. Ginesta. Some heather. Spirea. Some annuals. Not sure. Bleeding heart. Forsythia. The tree, I'm not sure about either. Hosta, some kind. Lilies on the way. Japanese maple. Lilies. Hydrangea. Nepeta. Lilies. Actia. Roses. Some other stuff. More Spirea. Roses. Lavender. Hydrangea. Some hosta. Some ground cover for dry shade. Giant rhododendron. Sedum or Hylothlepium. Artemisia. Hyssop, possibly. I'm not sure. Not sure. Some kind of Achillean. Not sure. Not sure. Another Ginesta. Some more hostas. Some more sedum. More blue stuff. Some forget-me-nots. Climbing roses. Tree, I can't forget. I can't remember. Rosa rugosa. Hawthorn. What do they call hawthorn in English? Hagitun in Swedish, anyway. One pink, and then one rosy red. More roses on the tree. Some more herbs. More lavender. Some irises. More heather. Nepeta. More blue perennials of different kinds. New rose, climbing rose. Just some common allium, the edible kind. Honeysuckle, Aquilegia, Ivorous, Hydrangea, Astrantia, Aquilegia, jasmine, what are these called? Viburnums, yes, viburnums. Peonies, more viburnum. Rose, honey rose, hydrangeas. Peonies. What's this called? A cornus. some coral bells, heuchera, actea, hellebores, other stuff, ferns, some berry bushes, some ground covers, some bulbs, spring bulbs, rhubarb, lots of astrantia, some other stuff, hosta, some astilbes, and other shade things, a lot of geraniums hiding under the lilacs, an assortment of rhododendrons and azaleas and pierces, alliums, that's Norabala Ostrantia, I think, Geum, white gila. This is a giant scabiosa, I think, I hope, with extremely tall yellow flowers. Roses, salvias, bulbs, whatnot, bleeding heart. Is this an astilbe? Yeah, more heuchera, pulmonaria, more hellebores, geranium, white bleeding heart, clethra, astilbe, more heuchera, andromeda, acacia, forget-me-not, Jacob diamonds, what are they called? Brunner. White bed with quince and 5 different white perennials. Among them, white sage, salvia, and stuff that I can't remember the names of, especially not in English. Some homegrown stuff, sage, salvia, different kinds, geum. I'm not sure what that is. Peonies, lilies, salvias, geums, and other stuff. And 3 giant clematis, phlox, other ground covers. Thyme, Gillenia, can't remember, grass, Nailica, what are they called in English? Dianthus, yeah, Dianthus. Juniper, Rosea, these are verbenas, this is oregano, I think, some kind. Beauty bush, grasses, a lot of tall perennials, Achillea, geum, calla lily, agapanthus, onothra. These are Ringians, I think, 2 grasses, Achillea, a little new dianthus, some annuals. I don't know what this one's called. Allium millennium. Barberry, grasses, evergreens, pieris, roses, mini lilac, hydrangea, What's this one? I always forget. Caryopteris. These ones are. Can't remember. Sorry. Grasses, evergreens. That's Potentilla. This is an Exocorda. This is a Perovskia. Some grasses, a lily, daylily, evergreens. This is an Astrantia again. This is another GM. More hydrangea and honey roses. More jasmines, more potentillas. Pimpernel. I'm not sure if that's what it's called in English. Iris. Something else. These bushes, they're not smoke bushes, but something close to it. Maybe this is what are they called? Crocosmia? Not Brescia? I'm not sure. Clematis. And here will hopefully come a lot of echinaceas and rudbeckias. The autumn bed. Echinaceas, rudbeckias, achilleas, asters, lilies, jasmine, and other stuff. These look nice, don't they? Some kind of iris as well. This is the yellow, blue, red. Alchemilla mollis, Perovskia, some grasses. Fiery dahlia, if it gets enough sun to poke out of there. The bush, a shrub that I can't remember. A climbing weigela, behind peonies, lilies, phlox, the ground covers. Geraniums, whatnot. The conifer bed with a lot of conifers and some other stuff and a bit of a mini woodland. Oh, look at this icebreaker, how lovely. Some still bees and ferns, and I can't remember what else. Some climbing hydrangeas back there. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. This lovely early summer evening, the 5th of June, Friday 5th of June, in the southwest of Sweden. And pretty much all that remains, except for just watching things grow, is to finish the greenhouse and then just enjoy the garden. Bye bye.